Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kavita Shokin and you are watching my YouTube channel Keen with Shokin. Thanks for liking my previous video. As you all know, Sarojini is one of the most popular market in Delhi, which is known for its cheap price and trendy outfits. So let's explore together and check out the latest winter collection. As I entered from gate number 1, I saw a wide variety of girls' pullovers, cardigans, and it was for just rupees 100 only. After this, I saw a good range of masks. 3 masks were available for just rupees 100 only. Then I saw a stall for kids and girls' woolen caps. Price was different for each. You can get these air-proof jackets at a cheap price. गेट नंबर 1 के एग्जैक्ट सामने आपको इन भैया का स्टॉल दिख जाएगा। यहाँ आप 150 में कोई भी पुल ओवर कार्डिगन या फिर कोई भी वार्म स्वेटर ले सकते हैं। These formal as well as trendy coats were available for just rupees 200 only. I also picked one coat from this stall, which I'll show you in my Sarojini haul. इसी स्टॉल के जस्ट ऊपर आई सो अ वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ गर्ल्स लॉन्ग शॉर्ट एंड मिड लेंथ कोट्स. प्राइस वाज डिफरेंट फॉर ईच कोट. You can easily find this 200 rupees jacket stall in front of gate number 1. I found a mixed stuff of coats and jackets here, and fabric of some coats was not so good. And then I found these sweatshirts for just rupees 250 only. I liked the vibrant colors of these sweatshirts. Color was really too good. Look at the color contrast of this yellow and white sweatshirt. Isn't it nice? Look at the colorful range of these boys' shoes. Price of these shoes was 350 and 450. These warm boys loafers were available for just rupees 200 only. These bright color furry sweaters were available for just rupees 100 only. In the same stall, I found these denim jackets and dresses for just rupees 100 only. Can you just imagine sweaters in 80 rupees only? Oh my god. These cool sweaters were available in just rupees 80. इस स्टॉल में कुछ श्रग्स का भी कलेक्शन एडेड था। ये देखिए, ये श्रग आप ले सकते हैं सिर्फ 80 रुपीज़ में। These sweatshirts were available for just rupees 300 only. And again these coats and blazers were available for just rupees 200 only. Look at the beautiful print of these girls' loafers. These loafers were very warm and the price for these loafers was just rupees 200 only again. इसी स्टॉल के जस्ट साथ में ही मुझे देखने को मिला ये 100 रुपीज़ के स्वेटर्स का स्टॉल। कलर्स ऑफ दीज स्वेटर्स वर वेरी अट्रैक्टिव एंड आई कैचिंग। Now comes again on the boys section. These warm sweaters were available for just rupees 200 only. Girls, you can get these warm dresses for just rupees 200 only. Look at this one. These beautiful boys t-shirts were available in half and full sleeves, and the price for each t-shirt was 150 only. इसी स्टॉल के साथ में मुझे देखने को मिला ये बहुत ही सुंदर कलेक्शन। ये सभी वार्म स्वेटर्स गर्ल्स के लिए अवेलेबल थी जस्ट फॉर ₹80 ओनली। And next I found this 200 rupees stall. These all boys sweaters were available for just rupees 200 again. Look at this off-white and red sweater. I liked it very much. अभी मैं आपको कोई भी एग्जैक्ट शॉप नंबर या फिर कोई लैंडमार्क नहीं बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि ये सभी स्टॉल्स आपको इजीली गेट नंबर 1 के सामने देखने को मिल जाएंगे। After this I found this 80 rupees stall again. Quality of some sweaters was not that good, but when it comes to the price, it's not a bad deal. If you like highlighted hair extensions, you can check out this stall in front of Kins showroom. These all sweaters were available at just rupees 80 only. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, please like and share this video and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.